Go to your Snapchat, go to message window, go to the chat, and find out the video snap and tap this three dot. Tap on remix snap. And now from here you can choose a layout for remix. So go ahead and choose a layout. And now if you want to add a music to your remix snap, you can do it from here. And you can also add any effect, and you can just use your front or back camera. You can switch your camera by tapping here. Now to record the remix snap, just hold down this record button and show your face, and we can see the remix snap is recording. Once done, tap on send, and we can see the remix snap successfully send it to the same conversation. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.